I wanted whatever came with this cheapest.
Giant this shit, man.
Wide body, right?
See the keys. See the keys, boy.
What do you think?
Dang, this shit's hot, yo. Oh, what, the Lehigh Valley Honda?
Lehigh Valley, yep.
Was that near the near Dorney Park?
Allentown, yep.
Damn, it's your wide. The back seat's red too or no?
No, it's just regular.
Damn. Oh.
Yeah. When you gun it to the light come on, okay?
What light?
It has like shift lights on there.
What?
In the dash, you see those little dots on top of there?
The green one?
See the little dots up there?
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
You tinted it out too?
Well, the crack window, but you can hear the sound you go.
Oh, I see.
You can adjust it though. I was gonna come in the daytime, but we'll wait for Joey's package. Take forever.
We're skating anyways.
Gun it. I gotta stop pulling it up. Pull forever.
Damn. Oh, so what do you win in the raffle?
$250.
That's it?
At a parts store, like an aftermarket parts store.
I thought you won rims and exhaust.
See how bouncy it is? Put it in individual mode. I'll do it later.
It doesn't do that when you put individual mode, right?
Yeah, individual, I set it to where everything's on R mode except for the suspension. Go up where it says individual up here. Yeah, you're now. Now it's softer. You hit that turbo?
Nice, yo. This is fun. You feel comfortable.
And you get on turns, you feel like it's on rails. You got a curvy road to it on here?
No.
Drop it 30 gear, let it pull. Go. See, it don't stop, it just keeps on pulling.
Damn. You got a blow-off valve on here or no?
No, I'm gonna leave it stock until the warranty expires.
Oh. What's the warranty? 3 year 36?
Something like that, yeah. You hear that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the PRL intake.
Yeah.
That's gonna make it like go.
You
don't really need a blow-off valve.
But you're not gonna get a tune yet.
No.
They can't, right?
No, because the warranty. They say with the other tune, you get like almost 400 horsepower already. With like bolt-ons.
Yeah.
Like intake and exhaust.
You gotta change your own oil, or you gotta take it to the dealer to get changed?
They gotta take all the under. I take it to the guy I trust. It's the CJ's in my house.
Yeah.
They do good. They always take care of my car. They're good.
That's good. I'm gonna go buy Mega Millions with your car. So hopefully, in the Mega Millions, I'm gonna buy me a type car.